Hey guys, what is going on? So in today's video, we are going to discuss top 5 SEO tools you must use if you are, just getting started with SEO or, doing pretty well with SEO like me. So the first tool I suggest is Prospect SEO. With Prospect SEO, you can build unlimited high quality SEO leads for your SEO business. You might be a freelancer who is trying to get some SEO business. So this is the perfect tool, and it will pull up leads using 4 different prospecting method. You can go through this page and check what exactly that is. So I'll give you a quick demo on Prospect SEO. So now you start a campaign, you select the 4 modules they have, and then once you get that, you will get the leads, okay, and you will have all the details of the person who owns the website, his email address, his telephone number, his fax machine. So you know the problem they are having right now, which is in this case, this list is for people who are not on page 1 of Google yet. So now you know that they are not on page 1 and they are desperate to come on page 1. Now if you have a very good pitch that you can put in front of them and help them get their site on page 1, this is perfect audience for you. Now the other methods that you can use is Yelp. Yelp is a huge database of negative they have a huge database of negative reviews. So business who got negative reviews, you can pull up all the data for that using Yelp. And then the businesses who are not on Google Maps, as an SEO how important it is to get your site on Google Map. So there you have it. You now know businesses that doesn't have their website on maps, and then you go ahead and approach them with your package, something like that. And then businesses whose pages are not mobile friendly, this is very, very important. Now imagine you have a site and it's not mobile friendly and you cannot open it on your mobile. So you have amazing opportunity there. You go and approach them. So that's how it works. It will give you results based on the module, the method that you choose. So I highly recommend you go and check that out. They have 7 days free trial, so you can check that out. And the good part is they keep their database fresh, so you have the new data coming in. Now the second tool which I recommend is using Moz keyword research. You might need good keywords for your new client. You could just use Moz free keyword tool, and then come up with all the related keywords and the competition and things like that. So the less competition, it's going to be easier for you to rank it on page 1 of Google. So as you can see all the suggestions, and you can see the monthly search volume of the keyword. And this is a product, sleep apnea mask, sleep apnea devices. So as you can see, these are so you select this keyword, search, and then using this keyword you can come up with more related keywords like sleep apnea mask Amazon. So there are like around 200 to 500 people searching for this. Imagine you have a website and then you show this opportunity to your client, and he will be amazed because you have showing him all these possibilities he doesn't know about. And now you see all this amazing keywords. Now I normally, when I get this type of keywords, I go and build a site and then rank it on page 1 of Google. Okay, and the next tool I suggest is SpyFu. This will give you a huge database. You can check the links where they are coming from for let's say you have a client and you know who their competitors are. So you can just do a search here and then check what kind of backlinks they have, if they are doing any pay-per-click on their site, and what keywords they are targeting. So this is huge, you know. If your clients check this, it's gonna be I'm pretty sure he will be impressed. The next tool I suggest is you know, we all know how important it is to get links from authority sites, like, you know, um, let's say New York Times, and you know, things like that, huge authority site. So what this site does is it will give you the information of the journalist of that particular newspaper, for example, and then you can approach them and tell them that, you know, hey, I have a great article that I want to publish, and then, you know, this is the best way that I've found out to get high quality authority backlinks for your client website. Now the last one that I want to discuss is Ahref. Now this is kind of, you know, similar to SpyFu. So if I do a keyword search here, let me search. So now you can again check where their links are coming from, you know, how many, what's their domain rating is, and where exactly they are getting. So this site is more focused towards, you know, getting to know where their links are coming from. So this tool is perfect if you just want to know that, or you could use SpyFu. So there you have it, guys. If you are doing SEO, you must use this tools. And that's it for now. Please subscribe and let me know if you have any questions. Bye.